Today I will show you how to make a bezel for a cabochon and how to set it. For this video, you will need a cabochon stone bigger than 5 millimeters, bezel wire in the 24 to 26 gauge range, sheet metal in 20 gauge, your soldering setup, flux and saving solution, hard and medium solder, flat and half round ring files, a saw, a bezel mandrel, a rubber mallet, a scribe, a sanding stick, rubber wheels and a pumice wheel, hammer setting tools, a burnisher, a small ball burr, a small drill bit, stone setting wax, dividers, and jet set or stone setter cement. I will take the wire and wrap it around the stone to see how much metal is needed. I will anneal the wire before soldering the ends together. I will gently tap the bezel on my mandrel with my rubber mallet. I will gently heat up the entire piece while concentrating my flame on the outside of the bezel. I will cut the bezel out from the sheet using my saw. I will clean up the overhang with a heatless Mizzy wheel, then pierce the center of the sheet with a drill bit, then saw out the frame. You can use jet set or stone setter cement to hold your piece. I will be holding the bezel with my fingers. Bezel setting at cabochon is the easiest and oldest type of setting. It's a great way to add color and detail to a piece, and it's an essential jewelry making skill.